children, welcome to today's RWI Phonics class. Today's sound is part of the set 2 sound, and that is the ow sound. Ow, ow, ow. Good job. Now this is the ow sound. Ow, ow. Well done. Now on this part of the card, what are they doing? Looks like you're shouting. Okay. So what we'll do when we see this part of the card is we would say, shout it out. Okay? So when you see this part of the card, I want you to say, ow. Okay? Ready? Don't forget, shout it out. Ow. Let's go. Well done, children. Now, I will put the ow sound somewhere among the other set 2 sounds we've been talking about, okay? And what I want you to do is, I want you to say each sound I pull up, but when you see the ow sound, I want you to point those 2 magic fingers right at it, okay? Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Okay, let's go. Good job, children. Now let's practice some green words, shall we? Now you know how we practice the green words? You do remember, right? Because what we do is when we see the word, we first of all find the sound. And today we're working with the ow sound, okay? So we find the ow sound and then we fret toward each sound. And when I pull the word closer, we read the word like this. Ow, ow. Mouth. Nice, huh? I'll show you again. Ow. Loud. Loud. Cool. So give us a try now. Good job. Let's get going. Done. Good. Good job, children. One last one. Good job. Now let's get our pencil and our book ready so we can do some writing together. Our first word today is mouth. Mouth. How many fat fingers should we hold up for the word mouth? I'll tell you. 3 fat fingers. Are you ready? So let's hold the word mouth. Hold up 3 fat fingers, children. Ow. Mouth. Let's pinch it. Ow. Mouth. So go ahead and write it down. In the word mouth, we have 2 sets of special friends, remember? So let's spell the word mouth. Our first sound is And then we have the first set of special friends, which is the sound we're learning today. Ow. And then we have a second set of special friends. Mouth. So go ahead and underline the first set and the second set. Good, huh? So let's tick for Let's tick for ow and for mouth. Now, if you didn't get it right, just draw a line across the word you wrote and then try again, okay? Our next word is out. Out. Like, go out. So how many fat fingers do you think we need to pull out for the word out? I'll tell you, just 2 fat fingers. So let's spell the word out. 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 Let's pinch it. Out. Out. Go ahead and write it down. Are you ready to tick or fix? So let's spell the word out. Our first sound is ow. Remember the special friends? Ow. And our next sound is, or our last sound really, is t. Out. Go ahead and underline the special friends. Ow. Are you ready to tick or fix? So let's tick for the sound ow and for t. Good job, children. Now our last word for today is loud. Loud. The music is too loud. So let's pull out, how many fat fingers should that be? I'll tell you, 3 fat fingers. So let's pull out 3 fat fingers. So let's spell the word loud. L-O-U-D. Loud. Let's pinch it. L-O-U-D. Loud. So go ahead and write it down. Are you ready to tick or fix? For the word loud, our first sound is L. And then we have the special friends, ow. And the last sound, d. Good job, children. Well done. Now go ahead and underline the special friends, ow. So if you got the L sound right, go ahead and tick. If you got the ow sound, tick. And for d, tick as well. Good job. Now I would like you to think of 5 words with the ow sound. And then write all the 5 words down and pick 3 of those words to form sentences. We look forward to seeing your work. Have a great day.